Facebook chance para ay ko-correct nila yan sa next.
Over muna to Daphne Lozano. Update on Coach Ernest Alaw. Pero nonetheless, I'm sure lalaban itong Vertex team na to. And that's an end one right there by Valdivia. Driving in the lane.
Magandang salaksak yun.
Check this out. Valdivia driving to the left, taking that contact. Lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by CDO. Food that brings you home.
Nakita ko rin sa Vertex lineup pa si Al Vergara. Actually,
oh, nice cut right there by Valdivia. And the big man, Cuevas, finding. Check this out. Cuevas with a pass. The Lakas assist of the quarter brought to you by SM South Mall. That's Cuevas to Valdivia with the end.
Left quarter court.
And what a reverse right there by Valdivia.
Well, Valdivia is in very good shape too.
Yeah. And Valdivia has a knack for getting to the line, by getting fouled.
Yes.
Valdivia. That's with a small Euro step right there.
Naku, mamaya pagdating ng second na puputok na yan sa 3-point country.
And yan ang aabangan natin dito, mga kasinag. Mr. Paul Reguera of the Vertex Maritime. Pero for now, it's gonna be 2 free throws muna dito para kay Valdivia as he made his first free throw. Reguera gets it. Thought about 3, but instead he kicks it. Valdivia makes that baseline J.
I think that's this.
Valdivia. Oh, a give and go right there. See, and Valdivia all alone for the
Yes.
And nabawi nila doon yung error nila off that Bautista steal, scoring 4 points on that play.
And Direct Billy's happy dahil kanina 8 lamang, 4 na lang yan.
And once again, out to Valdivia inside for 2. Once again, slashing.
You know, that's the 3rd time that Valdivia sliced to the hole.
Stolen by Vergara.
Oh.
And a forward pass. Valdivia with another reverse for 2.
Look at that. 4 field goals of Valdivia. He's the leading scorer. He has 14 points in the first half. This is going to be his 6th point. Total of 20 points for Valdivia.
And Valdivia, Vergara out to Valdivia with a
Oh,
mid-range
wow.
jumper from the corner.
What a game for Valdivia. Battle of Pause. At kung makikita natin sa quarter scoring, Vertex scored 12 in the first, and then 24 in the second, and then in the third, 16. Samantalang Tito Rex, the less second chance points you have, the less opportunities that you have scoring. But that time, Valdivia, hindi lang dapat si Valdivia at si Reguera, dapat other players must be involved. You know?